Here at Jetwave, we're proud to introduce our new accessory. This is our JW Bypass Pro Foam system. As we can see here, plugged into a high pressure outlet side, is our stainless steel, made in Germany, bypass injector system. This operates in bypass and injector mode, depending on whether we have the standard washdown lance on or variable twin lance, where it's in bypass mode, to our foaming head where it's in injection mode. And now I'll demonstrate. In conjunction with our JW Pro Foam bypass system is the optional fogging head. This head produces a fine mist for fogging applications. If you'd like to find out more, visit our website at jetwave.com.au.